So it's Thursday morning and I'm off to get flowers. Since I only have bulbs in the ground right now, it is still not the first day of spring. It's still winter for us. So I'm headed to the flower warehouse to get some flowers. I have the super scented baby blue eucalyptus. A lot of customers like to hang it in their shower. Also got some interesting flowers to put into the stand this week, and I'm going to be making a few bouquets as well. Also, a lot of the customers love baby's breath, so I have to have those too. In preparation for the farmer's market, I have my youngest daughter helping me with some labels, and the next morning we're off to the market. It's hard leaving my kids in the morning to go stand somewhere for hours to sell flowers, but after homeschooling throughout the week, I kind of need the alone time. So the cart is packed to the brim with flowers the night before. My husband sets up the table and the stand and a couple other things that are heavy, and I take the flowers out. So I thought last weekend, February 18th and the 19th, would be my last day out in the cold trying to sell flowers at the farmer's market. But no, Texas weather, oh my gosh, it's been so up and down this week. It's like Monday through Friday, nice weather, Saturday, freezing. So I think the high is supposed to be like 53 today. And then tomorrow, somehow, the high is going to be like 73. That's Texas. So hopefully sales are good today. Last weekend, trying to sell after Valentine's Day wasn't so good. So let's see if today's market sales are going to be good. It's a super dense fog this morning, and I'm hoping the cold with the fog, hopefully we don't get any heavy rain that will potentially affect sales this morning. I am also one of the first to set up, and I think that just shows dedication and consistency. But it also takes me a while to get all the flowers chopped into the buckets and ready to sell. So here's the final display of the DIY stand where customers can grab and pick their own flowers. I like to have a variety of selection. That beautiful pink flower was Genestra at the bottom, and it has a beautiful jasmine-like fragrance. I also try to get fresh flowers that will last a long time. You saw some hypericum berries and also some mums. Gotta have the baby's breath. Alstro is a nice finisher. And for those customers who like fragrance in their bouquets, I have some stock and snapdragons. I also sell the mason jars and bouquets. And here is my other table with my skincare products that you can find on my website at mypeace.shop. So I have organic teas that are grown from the garden. I also had some bath soaks to the left. And then I have our original flower perfume. There's real flowers inside, and each bottle is uniquely different with its own fragrance. So this morning I'm in a mad dash to the market because I think I forgot to put water in the flower buckets. And then also we're supposed to have Amazon delivered to my house this morning, and they delivered the groceries to the wrong address. So I was up riding around the neighborhood trying to see who had our groceries. So the start of this market morning is a bit rough. We'll see how the day goes. So the nice vendor in front of me brought 2 of their baby goats, and I think that is super cute and such a smart selling strategy. The goats bring the customers over, and that is super smart. Let's check out some of the flower arrangements, the bouquets that I put together to sell for today. Also on the MyPeace.shop website, we have our lavender soap, also our rose soap if you like floral scents, and at the bottom we have our green citrus and turmeric. Always, no matter how I feel about the day, it's always nice to see customers happy. I was also concerned about the fog and the weather, but none of that matters. So this weekend's market ended up being way better than last week, so do not let weather stop you. Try to learn your customers and be consistent. If you enjoyed this video of watching me sell at the farmers market, please subscribe to the channel as we grow.